Thomson Reuters is a 14 billion USD global media and knowledge management company headquartered at New York, USA. Thomson Reuters is the world leading source of intelligent information for businesses and professionals. They deliver crucial and critical information to leading decision makers in the financial, legal, tax, accounting, healthcare, intellectual property, science and media verticals, powered by the world's most trusted news organization. Thomson Reuters operates in over 100 countries and covers 70,000 public limited companies with around 60,000 employees. IBM and Thomson Reuters have partnered since 2010 for Thomson Reuters One Vision program. One Vision project is for implementing SAP system to integrate Thomson's business processes worldwide. Thomson Reuters is operating in over 100 countries, having huge and diverse IT applications with an objective to consolidate into one single SAP platform, replacing multiple legacy systems with 40% reduction.
Leveraging IBM's Media and Entertainment Center of Excellence, the implementation and migration methodology were deployed and subscriptions were transformed from multiple legacy systems to SAP. At Thomson Reuters, the core business is from subscriptions in online and print segments. While print subscriptions like newspapers, periodicals, journals have been there for decades, now the online subscriptions have gained momentum, and in Thomson Reuters, about 90% of revenue is coming from online subscriptions. Subscriptions have different processes. Renewals is the process of extending the active subscriptions to subsequent period. Major portion of Thomson Reuters revenue comes from existing customers who renew their subscriptions. There are different renewal types models like evergreen, auto extension, opt-in with grace, and opt-in without grace. Customers can choose based upon their preferences different types of billing plans like multi-year, annual, half-yearly, quarterly, or monthly. The revenue recognition is on time, issue, or acceptance-based criteria when the payment is received in advance. The multi-location agreements are used to create one consolidated subscription for customers across regional offices or geographies to get special discounted prices. Passwords management is used for security compliance with controlled username and password for customers logging in.
IBM is operating with offshore-onshore model with 70% team members at offshore and 30% onshore. The IBM consulting team comprises of SAP functional and technical consultants, Informatica process integration, testing, training, and change management teams. Globally, Thomson Reuters is operating with multiple legacy systems, and the vision is to consolidate into one single SAP platform. This new system will be used to drive standardization and automation, eliminating redundant activities, and for enhanced reporting. Also, this will be an enabler for shift alignment of acquired business units into core business process.
IBM has been playing key roles in Thomson Reuters SAP global deployments. IBM and Thomson Reuters initiated the One Vision program mid-year in 2010 to define common operating models and processes. Deployment 1 for intellectual properties and sciences for US in 2011. Deployment 2 for legal, tax and accounting for Australia, New Zealand, Hong Kong in 2012. Deployment 3 for legal, tax and accounting for UK and Ireland in 2013. And deployment 4 is for legal, tax and accounting for Latin American countries in 2013. The global templates developed helps in reusability of core processes, taking into account the localization requirements identified during business blueprint workshops. Peer reviews, pre and post validations, sign-offs had enhanced the quality of deliverables and exit acceptance. Utilizing IBM assets, accelerators and testing factory, we are handling conversions, transformations of 1.2 million data records, localization for 11 countries, 63 interfaces and testing with 1100 scripts.
Business processes currently undertaken in multiple legacy systems have to be clearly understood and to be correctly mapped and documented. We had detailed gap analysis and deep dive workshop sessions. Data exists in different structures, different formats, different lengths, etc. in multiple legacy systems. Data conversion is challenging and needs number of cutovers to ensure accuracy and complete coverage. We introduced pre and post loading data validation tasks to ensure quality and reliability. Project correspondence, project documentation and training in local languages is a demanding task and needs meticulous planning and execution. Consultants having local language proficiency were introduced to interact with the client teams. Project Go Live to synchronize with other system enhancements of the clients. For instance, current LATAM deployment was planned to sync with clients' Salesforce.com enhancements. Common cutover plans was made with number of steps for synchronizing Go Live of both systems.
Effective communication strategy has resulted in relationship, trust, and responsibility with entire project team. Monthly steering committee meetings, weekly stakeholder meetings, daily status review meetings ensure project governance, risk mitigation, and issue resolutions, resulting in effective project progress and deliverables. Team is encouraged to identify the risks, and in weekly meetings, the risks are documented, analyzed, discussed, and proactive steps initiated to resolve and mitigate the potential impacts.
Data cleansing is a major concerning area. Data has to be analyzed in details to remove duplicates, common materials across the legacies, sunset materials, customers for data migration. Changes in one system impacting other interfaced applications. For instance, missing ISBN numbers were impacting pricing data being transferred to other systems. Change control board and change management have to be in place for impact analysis and mitigation. Scope changes have to be addressed through the change control board. Engage stakeholders in interactive cross-functional design along with the deep dive sessions. Leverage IBM Center of Excellence, industry capabilities, best practices for consistently maintained delivery excellence.
So here we have gone through IBM association with Thomson Reuters, and I'm happy to state that the relationship is on growing path.